Integration of rational and irrational functions. Some standard results. See, if any integral is written in form of integration dx upon x square plus a square, where x is variable but a is a constant. If any question is written in form of integration 1 upon x square plus a square, its integration is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Similarly, refer all this formula, this one. But if we see that any question is form of integration x square plus a square, then this is equal to x upon 2 under root x square plus a square by 2 log mod of x plus root x square plus a square. Similarly, this question is integration root x square minus a square. This is formula for this integration. This is root x square, that is square root a square minus x square. This is here. This is integration square root x square plus a square, but this is integration square root a square minus x square. We have to use all this formula wherever it will be required. On basis of these formulas, refer exercise 7.7. Question number first. Integrate square root 4 minus x square. Let I is equal to integration square root 4 minus x square. We have to change this question in integrable form. That is, we can write 4 as 2 square and x square is as a square. Means this is written in form of the integration square root a square minus a square. Use this formula is equal to x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a plus c. Here, when we are comparing this a square minus x square, that is, here in place of a 2 is written, x is x. Using in this formula, this is x by 2, here is x by 2, root a square minus x square, that is root 2 square minus x square. This is plus a square by 2, that is 2 square by 2. This is sin inverse x upon a. Sin inverse x, a means what? 2 plus c. Now, our required integration is x by 2 square root 4 minus x square plus 2 sin inverse x upon 2 plus c. This is our required integration. Now see question number 2. Integrate root 1 minus 4x square. In all the cases of integration, first of all, we have to change the given question as in integrable form, means in form of the formula. For this, again let I is equal to this. To change in integrable form, we can write here integration root multiply 1 by 4 upon 4. This is minus 4x square. Now numerator is common out. Numerator 4 common out. Under bracket you can see this is 1 upon 4 minus x square. Root 4 means that is 2. Integration inside the bracket under root 1 upon 4 minus x square. 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 2 whole square minus x square is minus x square. Now see, this is integration root 1 upon 2 means constant a square minus x square. Using this formula, integration square root a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2x root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. Here this is equal to 2. Now using this formula, first is x by 2 root a square minus a square like this, plus here is a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a square, a is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 whole square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a means 1 upon 2 plus c is constant of integration. Then solving it, this is x, 2 divided by 2 is 1, that is x. Now square root 1 upon 4 minus a square plus here this is 1 upon 2 whole square means 1 upon 4 upon 2. This is multiplied by 2, that is 1, means this is 1 upon 4 sin inverse x divided by 1 upon 2 become 2x plus constant of integration. Hence this is our required integration. Now see question number 33. Integrate root x square plus 4x plus 6. Consider this is I is equal to integration root x square plus 4x plus 6. To change in integrable form, we have to change as. See how to change in standard form, that is in integrable form. Integration x square plus, see here is 4x. 4x can be written as 2 into x into 2. 2 into x into 2. Now add plus 4 and minus 4. Plus 6 is plus 6. Why we are adding plus 4 and minus 4? To change in this form, that is a plus b whole square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have told you 4 can be written as 2 into 2, that is this is 2 into x into 2, that is 2ab plus b square, that is 2 square, minus b square, that is 2 square. Means this part x square plus 4x plus 4 can be written as x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. Now this is written in form of root integration root x square plus a square, that is 2 can be changed as root 2 whole square. Now consider x plus 2 is equal to t, then dx is equal to dt. Now our question become I is equal to integration, this is t, that is t square plus root 2 square. Here using the formula integration root x square plus a square formula, that is here is the formula, that here it is x by 2 square root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log mod of x plus root x square plus a square. Go through that formula. Here the formula is given here, this side it is already written, you can refer this formula. Here is x by 2, that is t by 2 under root x square plus a square, that is under root t square plus root 2 square. Similarly this is plus a square by 2, that is a square means root 2 square by 2 log x plus root x square plus a square log t plus root t square plus root 2 square plus constant of integration. Now this is equal to substitute value of t is x plus 2, x plus 2 upon 2 root t square means x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 square means that is 2, plus log, substitute value of t, this is value of t, again substitute value of t here. After solving this one, we are getting x plus 2 upon 2. Here is root x square plus 4x plus 6 plus log absolute value x plus 2 plus root x square plus 4x plus 6 plus constant of integration. Now see question number 5. Integrate root 1 minus 4x minus x square. Consider I is equal to integration root 1 minus 4x minus x square. This is not written in standard form of the integration. That's why we have to change first in integral. It's integral of integration, that is integrable form. See, this is minus x square, this will be always positive. That's why we have to write minus common out here. Then we can write, see, this is negative term, this is negative term, and 1 is positive. Means this will be x square plus 4x minus 1. We have to change again this in whole square form. For this, x square plus 4x, adding 4 and subtracting 4, minus 1 is minus 1. Here up to this step, this is x plus 2 whole square. This is using formula a plus b whole square. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Now this can be written as is equal to integration root of minus x plus 2 whole square. Minus into minus is plus. Root 5 can be written as root 5 whole square. Now this is equal to integration, this is positive part, root 5 whole square, this is negative term, here is negative term. Again put x plus 2 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt. Then I is equal to integration root 5 square minus t square. Using formula, this is written in form of this formula, integration root a square minus a square, and this is formula for this, you know very well. Substitute, here is x by 2, x by 2 means t by 2, root a square minus a square. What is a? A means root 5, root of root 5 square minus a square means t square plus this is a square by 2, a means root 5 square by 2, sin inverse x upon a. Sin inverse x means t, a means root 5 plus constant of integration. This is equal to t by 2 root 5 minus t square plus 5 upon 2 sin inverse t upon root 5. Now substitute value of t, t means what? X plus 2, x plus 2 upon 2. Now substituting the values, we are getting here root 5 minus 2 plus x whole square plus 5 upon 2 sin inverse x plus 2 upon root 5 plus c. This is equal to x plus 2 upon 2. After solving this, we are getting here 1 minus 4x minus x square. You know that we can expand 2 plus x whole square as a plus b whole square, that is a square means 2 square plus x square plus 4x. We are getting this result plus 5 upon 2 sin inverse x plus 2 upon root 5 plus constant of integration. Now see question number 7. Integrate root 1 plus 3x minus x square. Let I is equal to integration root 1 plus 3x minus x square is equal to integration root, see this is minus a square, x square part, this part will be positive. To get it positive, we have to write minus common out, minus under bracket x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to integration root of minus. Again change this in form of the whole square. How can we do it? X square means a square. This is minus 2ab. Minus 2. A means x. B means 3 by 2. A means x and B means 3 by 2. Here is 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square means 9 upon 4. This is x square minus 3x plus 9 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4 minus 1. Minus 9 upon 4 and plus 9 upon 4 we have written here to change in form of the whole square. That is, these three terms can be written as x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Solving minus 9 upon 4 and minus 1 become minus 13 upon 4. Now this is equal to integration root 13 upon 2 whole square minus x minus 3 upon 2 whole square. Again put x minus 3 by 2 as t, dx is equal to dt. Means our integration is I is equal to integration root 13 upon 2 whole square minus 2 is t square. This is written in form of the formula integration a square minus x square. A is constant, x is variable. Similarly here, this is constant a and this is variable t. Using this formula, we can write here x by 2 means t by 2. Root a square minus x square means root 13 by 2 whole square minus t square. This is plus a square by 2 sin inverse x upon a. Here is a square, this is a square by 2 sin inverse t upon a plus constant of integration. This is equal to t by 2 root 13 upon 4 minus t square, and this is 13 upon 8 sin inverse 2t upon root 13. Substitute value of t. T means this is x minus 3 by 2 upon 2. Substitute here also value of t. We are getting this term. Now solve this one. After solving we are getting this is solve this part. Here we are getting this part plus is constant of integration. Now refer question number 8. Find integration root x square plus 3x. Let I is equal to integration root x square plus 3x. Again we have to change this in form of the integration, that is integrable form. To change in integrable form, see root x square plus this term is written as 2ab plus 2ab plus 2. A means what? X. B. B means 3 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Again our term is 3x. Means we can understand this is, here is a square plus 2a and this is b. 3 by 2 is b. That's why a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is 3 by 2 whole square, minus b square, that is 3 by 2 whole square. Again 1, 2, 3. These three terms can be written as a plus b whole square using this formula, and this is minus 3 by 2 whole square here. Again consider x plus 3 by 2 is equal to t, that is dx is equal to dt. Our question is I is equal to integration root t square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now this is equal to, using the formula, this formula, that our question is written in form of this formula here. Using this formula, this is x by 2 means t by 2, root x square minus a square, root t square minus 3 by 2 whole square, minus a square by 2 is 3 by 2 whole square upon 2, log x plus root x square minus a square, log x means t plus root t square minus 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to t by 2 root t square minus 9 upon 4 minus 9 upon 8 log t plus root t square minus 9 upon 4 plus c. Now substitute value of t. What is t? T is x plus 3 by 2. Substituting value of t here, after calculation we are getting this is 2x plus 3 upon 4 root x square plus 3x minus 9 upon 8 log mod of 2x plus 3 upon 2 plus root x square plus 3x plus constant of integration.